Hello YouTube and welcome to another video of Toy Thirsty Tractor Tuesday or Thursday. Yes, I know, I'm 2 days late on Tractor Tuesday, but there's a good reason behind it. In front of me is a Busch Light logo. First one I've done on my own. Alright, I'll show you guys. Earcorn John Deere S760. I've been wanting to attempt to have one done myself, and the company that I chose to have print out my stickers gave me a little different design than you've seen on most. I did want to add the American flag on it to give it a little different detail than most. This one is a 1/32 scale, more play model than most, mostly all plastic. No little parts to break off, although the reel does turn. The step does fold, and the auger folds out. When these toys were new, they were $45.99 at just about anywhere. So very inexpensive way to get into the hobby. And you'll be surprised what little money it takes to get you a Busch Light Earcorn sticker made, and if you'd like an American flag. This model here will be up for sale, and I will be doing more Busch Light, and there's going to be a new Busch Light that I've yet to see anyone else do that I have a couple combines on order, and they will be getting a Busch Light sticker on it. And I'll be doing a video on that when the first one is done. If this doesn't sell before, it will be at the Columbia City, Whitley County Fairgrounds Toy Show. But if you would like to purchase this, put it in the comments and we'll get together and I can get shipping and so on and so forth. So yeah, here it is. My first Earcorn Busch Light Combine, John Deere S760, 1/32 scale. Hope you guys like the video. If you do like it, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Toy Tractor Tuesdays. I do have the schedule for our garden tractor clubs this year, and I will be doing a video on them as well. So that means garden tractor pulling is coming back to the channel. Have a good day, everyone.